Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the unboxing of the Realme Buds Air Pro Master Edition. There's nothing different from the Realme Buds Air Pro if you talk about the specifications, the features and everything, and even with the pricing as well. But what is different is the design. So the Master Edition is the result of the collaboration between Realme and Jose Levy, the same designer who the company had partnered with for the Realme Buds Q design as well as the Realme SLED TV. So this is not something new, but Realme has been doing this from time to time. They partner with some of the best designers to come up with newer designs. So this is what they call as a full mirror finish, and it's made with the vacuum platina process. And what you see as the specifications or the features is the same. You get active noise cancellation up to 35 decibels. There's the 94 millisecond super low latency or the gaming mode, and then you have the 10 millimeter bass boost driver, transparency mode as well, and you have the 25 hours of total playback of the music, and that is including the case and the earbuds together. The MRP given here is 6,999, but of course you know the price, and there are 4 ear tips, and that is given in the box. And the earbuds work with the Realme Link app, and the app actually has got a lot of updates in the recent times. The usability and the experience has become much better with that. Now inside the box package, firstly what you see are these things. Of course you see the Jose Levi's code here, and then that's it. Then you have the wearing tips on how to wear the earbuds, and also you have the touch commands, the touch commands whichever are possible, so you have that as well here. And you have the user guide of the Realme Buds Air Pro. Now here's the main thing, that's the Realme Buds Air Pro Master Edition, and a full mirror design. As I said, this is completely a mirror. As you can see, it's clearly what you are being told is what you're getting here. So you have the Realme as well as the Jose Levi's collaboration logo given here. But personally, if you ask me, I've been always addressing the same to the company as well, and I've been telling that on my videos that I'm not a fan of anything that is glossy in these kind of things, because if you see the fingerprint replacement and everything, the smudges, fingerprints easily fall onto this case. But what the company has mentioned to us is that they have found out that people really don't care about glossy back, glossy designs or matte finish. In the end, what looks good to them is what they choose. So this might be the case why they came up with this full mirror design, and this is the case. And once you lift this up, that's when you feel that okay, the earbuds at least are better in looks when compared to the case. So this also has the same full mirror design, and you would see, let me lift these up first. Let me remove the stickers from here. So if you take a closer look at the earbuds itself, you see they also have the same mirror finish, and it's not just on the earbud but also on the stem. So everything is completely glossy and like a mirror. And I'm not sure how long would this stay like this, and would it get scratches, not just the earbuds, because earbuds won't usually get that scratched that easily unless you keep them out for a long time. And the case is what worries me more, because the case is where you might see scratching or everything that is like the smudges, fingerprints. It won't look good as what it is right now when you take it out of the box. But then it also depends on how the user is using it, obviously. And otherwise, if you see inside the case, it's the same black plastic, and to hold those earbuds, and you have the USB type C port towards the bottom. Nothing else is mentioned actually, and that is what makes this a pretty good looking case. But as I said, it's completely a thing about personal opinions. I don't personally like glossy backs, but there are people who might actually love this kind of design. So if you're someone who actually likes it, you know the choice is not going to be that bad if you're going with the Master Edition. And you have a yellow USB Type C cable that is given inside. So Realme has tried to actually give different kind of things. I mean, that actually look cool, and it actually appeals to the youth. That's what I feel. And we have the extra pair of ear tips as well, and that's 4 ear tips in the end. You have the large size that is already placed on the earbuds, and then the other 3 sizes, small, medium and XL, inside the box package. So these are the earbuds, and if we again give you a quick overview of the earbuds here, you have the pins towards the bottom for charging whenever you place them in the case. You have the app control with the Realme Link application. There's transparency mode. So what transparency mode is, that if you have the active noise cancellation turned on, what the earbuds do is they reduce all the background noise. But if you still want to listen to someone who's speaking just around you and they're trying to tell you something, you can have the transparency mode turn on, so every other noise is reduced, but that particular person talking is not going to completely cancelled out. So you can at least listen to that with the transparency mode, and you have up to 35 decibels of noise cancellation with these Realme Buds Air Pro. And you also have the IPX4 certification for the splash proofing of the earbuds, not the case. Remember that it's not for the case, it's only for the earbuds. And in terms of battery life, there's about 5 hours of battery life with the active noise cancellation turned on, and about 6 hours if you have the ANC turned off. So that's another difference. And because ANC actually takes up more battery, uses more battery, and without ANC is what is 25 hours of battery life is claimed on the box. So that's without ANC. With ANC it's about a total of 20 hours. So you get about 3 charges on the case, and a single charge on this 5 hours is 20 hours with active noise cancellation. And there's about 1 hour of charging time for charging the case with the USB type C, and 10 minutes of charging of these earbuds would actually give you about 3 hours of playback. So that's a good thing. If you're someone who's just about to go out and you don't have a lot of charge in your earbuds, you can charge them for 10 minutes and that's it. You can then use them for 3 hours. And there's also the wear detection sensor. So here's the sensor given there on the earbud. So in case you remove this from your ears, they would automatically pause the music, and that's a good feature that you see in this price range. So these are the major features, and this was the unboxing of the Realme Buds Air Master Edition that comes with this full mirror design. So it's kind of a different design. It actually looks good, but it's always about the personal opinions and favors. I don't really like these kind of designs, but there are people who would dig it. They would love it. So it depends. It actually looks good, but I'm not sure how good would it remain the same way that I have just taken it out. So I'm not sure about that. Otherwise, if it's sturdy enough, if it doesn't take a lot of scratches, then it surely would be a great choice. So that's it guys. This was the unboxing of the Realme Buds Air Pro Master Edition that's made with the collaboration between Jose Levy and Realme. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.